I ran the second largest Hyundai dealership in the country. The only thing is, I couldn't stand it. I went from making no money online to about $75,000 a month online. I quit the car business. We've gone through a lot. Inflation, gas prices, and there's no end in sight. Interest rates are going up. That's eventually going to have a long-term effect on things like layoffs and things like that.
To this day, I still have people that are like, I don't know why you're successful, your stuff's terrible. Well, you have 10,000 subscribers, so maybe I'm doing something right. Quit taking the YouTube courses and just look for what's working. You don't have to be an expert at something, but you have to at least be passionate about it. You have to know that there's at least 1,000 people that are interested in that. I know people on YouTube that make hundreds of thousands, if not $1 million a year, and then they have a very small audience.
In the U.S. is the highest it's been in 4 decades.
You're spending a lot more money at the supermarket these days.
A third of middle-income adults don't have $400 to cover an unexpected expense.
Inflation is really squeezing people right now in significant ways.
We've gone through a lot in the last few years, especially inflation, gas prices. There's no end in sight. Interest rates are going up. That's eventually going to have a long-term effect on things like layoffs.
When you're looking at the way the economy is right now with the banks and everything going on, there's a lot of uncertainty if you're paying attention.
They're looking for security in a world that can't provide it. People work at a job and they think they have security until the day that they get fired. It's like a chicken.